Right now, our economy sentiment score is at -0.03, which is notably below the historical baseline we've been tracking. This signals a shift in perspective that we haven't seen recently. Despite the momentum being flat at +0.00, the presence of 17 semantic clusters indicates diverse concerns fueling this sentiment dip. With this data, you can quickly assess the current economic climate and make informed decisions in your applications. For example, if you're developing a financial dashboard, integrating this sentiment data can help you alert users to potential shifts in economic outlook, tailoring your interface to provide timely insights. To start leveraging this powerful sentiment data, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.